Welcome back, my fellow artistes, to another Tip Off Tuesday. This week, we're going to be giving you guys some tips on how to set your art portfolio up for success. Now, with that being said, here we go. So the first tip for setting your art portfolio up for success is make it digital. Put it on social media. Make sure you have presence on Facebook, Instagram. If you get into making videos, make sure you have a YouTube channel. Don't be afraid of what other people think or say. There are plenty of critics in the world. Now, next is make sure you are documenting your progress. And this will allow you to see the progression of individual pieces, and putting your portfolio in digital form on social media is going to allow you to document your process. It's going to allow you to progress as an artist and as an individual, because you're going to be able to see where you've been, where you are, and where you're going. So that covers the first tip. Now, tip number 2 is making sure that you have a clean workstation. So make sure that you are sharpening your pencils at the end of each drawing session. And this will allow you to be able to, like, let's say if you work a normal job, after you've eaten dinner, you'll be able to sit down and just go. You're not gonna sit there and find every reason to not draw because you didn't set yourself up for success. Organize your art cases. Put your smudgers in Ziploc bags. I know I have about 24 different smudgers of all shapes and sizes, but being able to keep them organized in a Ziploc bag definitely helps. If you use any kind of smartphone to record your drawing and you use floodlights, make sure that if they're battery charged, that you have those batteries charged up. The short and sweet of it is just make sure that all of your tools are ready to rock and roll when you go into your next creative wave. Now, the final tip is this: time management. Keep a calendar, whether that's weekly or bi-weekly, for your uploads. Because we were talking about digitizing your art. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have a cohesive schedule to have consistent uploads. And set realistic expectations. Don't overload yourself. Don't tell yourself, "Oh, I'm going to upload 5 progression photos a week." That's a tall order, especially if you work a day job, or let's say you have a family to take care of. Don't make unnecessary stressors for yourself. Make sure that those uploads are consistent, and with consistent uploads, this will help keep you honest, because you'll have in the back of your mind, I uploaded last Tuesday, I need to upload this Tuesday. So I need to film on Sunday so that I can edit on Monday and schedule the post upload on Tuesday. So there you have it, folks. Those are some tips on how to best set your art portfolio up for success. We hope this helps, and we'll see you again in 2 weeks. That is it. That is all I got this week. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys dig what we're building here at Messer Creations, I encourage you to like and subscribe, hit that little bell, ding, if you guys are on YouTube, so you guys can be notified when our newest videos come out. My name is Braden. You guys have just been tipped off. Hope you guys had fun, and I will see you in the next one.